What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Who's having a great day? I want to thank all you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button for me. All right, guys, so today we're going to be working on the Jeep Wrangler, and we're going to be adding some metal fender liners to the Jeep. When I purchased this Jeep, it came with none, so I think the previous owner must have removed them or they were taken off for whatever reason. But either way, I didn't want to go with the plastic ones, so I went ahead and ordered some off Amazon, and I went with the Smittybilt aluminum fender liners, and they actually look pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with and what it's gonna take to put these on. All right, guys, so here I got one out of the box already. It's actually pretty well made. I think we got a little recess here for like a light if you want to add it like a fender liner light. But yeah, like I said, these look pretty cool. They look nice. The finish is really nice. It's got like this textured finish to it. So, all right, so this is also what comes with the package. You get these rivets and the instructions book. Now, apparently you're supposed to drill a hole in the front and the back and rivet the fender liner to the body of the car using these rivets here. I don't have my rivet gun with me, but even if I did, I was not going to use these because if later on down the road these get damaged or I want to remove them, I would have to drill these rivets out, and that's going to be too much of a pain. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to use these self-tapping screws here. I'll put all these links in the description below and what I'm using. But yeah, like if I go later down the road and I want to remove these, I can just pull these right out. I don't have to worry about drilling them out or nothing. So I'm going to use these instead. We're going to need 4 of these. But yeah, let's get to installing this real quick. All right, so here is my Jeep. And as you can tell, it is, yeah, it looks ugly because it's just wide open. All right, so I got this fender liner mocked up. So you're supposed to drill a hole there and drill a hole right here and rivet it. But like I said, I'm gonna self-tap it. But yeah, see all this over here? I'm gonna go ahead and paint all that, all this. I'm gonna go ahead and undercut all that. Just so it's all black and not silver and black. I don't like the way it looks. That's why it's all blacked out. And also kind of to prevent it from these rock chips and let it, you know, the metal rust up. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint all that, because yeah, all this is gonna get chipped up by rocks and then expose the metal, and it's gonna surface rust like this. So that'll kind of eliminate some of that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Remove this and go ahead and prep this with some acetone and clean it up nice and clean, and go ahead and just spray it on there. Also, if you guys are wondering what I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. This stuff's pretty thick and it's textured as well, and it kind of gives a nice finish. So I'm gonna use this to cover up that paint. All right, guys, it's the next day, and I let the paint dry. I went ahead and textured all of the silver here. That way it's showing black, and I did the back as well. So I did both sides and actually was able to do it all with one can. So yeah, one can goes a long way. All right, guys, so once you kind of get your fender where you like it, get your screws here. All right, once you get it mocked up, you're gonna want to go ahead and put a little pilot hole here for your self-tapping screw. And let's do one right here. Grab your screws and line those up. Shoot this one. Go ahead and tighten up your tens. And there you go. It looks a lot better. All right, guys, so there you have it. The install took less than like 5 minutes. But yeah, I definitely recommend you guys putting a little bit of a pilot hole in the corners there. That way it makes it easier for the screws to go into the corner of the sheet metal. But yeah, it definitely looks a lot better than what it did before. Close off the engine compartment and it doesn't look as open, and It just gives it a cleaner look. So yeah, and like I said, it matches the back now also. So like I said, the front's black and the back is black as well. So it definitely gives it a nice clean look. So yeah, like I said, guys, I'll put the price in the description below where you guys can get yours. And like always, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one.